Okay guys, so here's in this video I'm gonna show you how you can finish setting up the iPhone and whenever this kind of stuff happens on your device. Now, this is an iPhone 15 which I have just set up, but this may happen with even like later on. It doesn't have to be on a brand new device. So if in case this happens, you have to just like go to your iPhone like this and open up these settings. Chances are that you can see that it just shows up on your iPhone and you probably just hit not now and it just disappeared or whatever. But in this case, you can always just see this one indicator or notification icon on the settings, which may be a bit annoying. So in this case, I'm just gonna click on the settings link here, and it's literally just shining at the top. So finish setting up the iPhone. And what it means is that it will ask you to set up additional features which you did not set on your iPhone. So I have set up the Face ID, so it's not asking me for that, although it's included in here. But Apple ID, Siri, Apple Pay, I don't have those setting up. Or, I mean, yeah, I have to click on this blue button, which is the only one available. And the most important thing is going to be the Apple ID. So in case I don't have the Apple ID, I have to create it. And it's literally something I have to do, which I will perhaps not do in this video, but it's not going to be or like a usable iPhone without it. So I just clicked on that. It disappeared. It's no longer having this one notification button. It's not annoying me anywhere, but it's just a question of time when it's gonna reappear on my lock screen, on my icon as a badge, as well as everywhere where I just look. So chances are that you will have to solve it somehow and go through the process, like set up Face ID and Apple ID and all the stuff, which I will actually have to do. But if you just want to quickly make it go away, do what I did, just go ahead and click through it, like click on, yeah, finish, everything is okay, just go through it and then leave, and the thing is going to disappear, at least for some time. So this is what I wanted to show you. This is how you can, quote, fix it, but there isn't really much like how to go around it, because you will be required to use, for example, Apple ID. Without this, you cannot even download any apps, so it's probably going to be a bit problematic. So yeah, that's basically all that I wanted to show you. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, but definitely subscribe to the Foxtecc, as well as check out the Foxtecc educational platform, where you can find some courses on video editing, as well as full guide on how you can set up your iPhone 15 or any other iPhone. So definitely something worth taking a look at. So thanks a lot for watching for now, and I'll see you in the future.